This product beats Dollar Tree. These magnetic hooks are less than $1 each, and they hold up to 30 pounds. You get 10 for just $6.99 at the making of this video. These magnets are strong. In this video, I want to surprise you with price points and products that save you time and money. This is a magnetic digital thermometer. What's even better is the price point on this is only $6.99 right now. Today's video is all about practical items that you can find on Amazon. I'll be sure to link everything down below. And everything here is under $10. It's absolutely not only love the metal hooks, but I love the towels. I'm going to link below my favorite towels. These are right around $2.50 each. They look great and wash well. These are great for organizing and cleaning. Another incredible less than $10 find is decorative cheesecloth. These come from Amazon all rolled up, so it's a really small package, easy to store. I like to use these on a table for a tablescape. Rather than hauling to pull out the tablecloths and then having to wash it, cheesecloths are the new tablecloths. It's really affordable way to elevate any table on a budget. Perfect for Thanksgiving. This is a hack I've never talked about, but this holiday, you know you'll be baking a lot in the kitchen. You know, countertops hide a lot of dirt. You know, when you look at your countertop, you see a layer of film, a sticky on top, maybe from rolling out dough. This is where a glass and polish rag is your best friend. All you need is water. This will polish your glass as well as your mirrors without using any product. But the real secret is using it on your countertops too, after you clean it. I get headaches from a lot of floor cleaners. This one is literally the best combination that I have found. You want to get Sal's Soap Suds. This may be my favorite product of this video. But you want to literally just put a little squirt, the tiniest bit goes a long way, and then combine it with peppermint essential oil. The soap smells like fir and pine, and the peppermint combined with it smells like an authentic holiday. Like imagine a candle burning through your entire house. It doesn't give me a headache. It does such a great job. If you get nothing else from this video, get an e-cloth and Sal's Suds. Another incredible score that's under $10 is an attachment head for your O-Cedar mop. Now this is so cool. Because it has all the bristle brushes, you can give a good scrub to your floors. I use the same mixture of soap. You're going to scrub your floor. I was so excited to see the O-Cedar came out with this product. And not only that, to see that it is so affordable, under $6 at the time of purchase. The bristles are really firm and stiff, and then after, I just go through with my mop to clean the soap suds. Next are some secret products that you are going to love for under $10. The first are wall deco hooks. Have you seen these? You can actually use these without tools. And if you have a heavier item, they hang so well on them. A tech product you need this holiday for under $10 is the wall extension outlet. I love these. If you have an outlet in a bad place, maybe behind an electric fireplace or behind furniture, you can actually use this to bring that outlet out. I will link my favorite down below. It has a 5-star rating. These things are awesome for Christmas trees, for your lights, and it just makes it so much easier to get to. The next product is so cheap, our nano dots. These are like double-sided tape. They do come off with a hairdryer. These are going to keep your fridge liners in place. These are also going to keep your caddies in place. You use these items is going to go anywhere. You can use these on decor as well. My friend, no product can make up for the love you have for yourself and others. Follow your heart. I'll catch you soon.